Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Please don't forget, if you like what you see, smash the like button and subscribe. It is September 20th, 2024 at 6:52 in the morning. Wow, we had a little busy night last night. I should not have went to sleep. We're going to start off our analysis with dollar yen because that has been the shaker and the groover. What we were talking about yesterday kind of came into fruition where we said that it looked like the yen was losing its illustriousness. Like at one point, the market was just, the appetite for the yen was just, buy yen against everything, until the price of 139, like 55, 60. And then all of a sudden, kablamo, market sentiment changed. And here we are, we're at 144.16. So what are we in for today? Like what levels do we have to be on the lookout for today? And let me run some numbers for you and get them out there. After all, it is Friday. I want to get the day. I want to see if I can make my points quick and get out quick and take my dog for a walk. So hang on one second. Okay, what I'm seeing in dollar yen right now is we're trading right now around 20 level. We have minor resistance really at 144.27. It's a minor resistance point. So let me put that up with a ray. Actually, I put it up with a line because it's a minor resistance. It's nothing to really, it's there, I have to say, it's there. Now, if it breaks through this, which it looks like right now it's going to do, let's put it right there. The next level of resistance is 144.65. That one's a little bit stronger. Okay, that's a strong resistance. 144.65, 69, close enough. And then we got 145.05. 145.10, that's fine. 145.05, 10, like that. If we get through that today, we're looking at 146 and a half. I have nothing in between this and that. That means it's going to chop around, but it should use the 145.05 as support or the 144 70 level as support to bounce back up. Now, what does it have to stay above? Right now, it needs to stay above, and I'll use a ray for that. Right now, it needs to stay above 143.72. I'm going to put it like right here. Okay, 143.72. Now, if it breaks 143.72, there is support. Oh, wow, that's lucky. If it breaks 143.72, there's support at 143.47. That's close. 143.40. Okay. If it gets through that, there's main support at 142.85. If it breaks 142.85, we're going back down into those lower levels of 141.77. But right now, it's basically showing strength this morning. Let's see what happens is at this 144.27 level. It's the first level of resistance that it's meeting right now. And keep an eye on that 143.72 level. Now, as we go higher, if there's a major development, I'll put up another video for you. But let's move on to the good old British pound, US dollar. Okay, British pound. Well, we made a new high early in London or in the Asia market at 133.40. There is resistance in the British pound at 133.77. So let's put a line up over there. 133.77. Okay, that's fine. 133.75, 75, 77. Now, here's the thing with it. There is resistance there. However, If the British pound can close above 133.52, if it closes above that, and the Queen confirms, expect resistance to break, because then we're going on. We're moving on to like 134.40, and after 134.40, we got 135.50. So there's a quick acceleration in the British pound. And now what I mean quick acceleration doesn't mean it's going to happen within, as soon as it breaks, it's going. No, there's going to be some to and fro, but it's basically showing that direction, showing the strength in the pound again. Now, in order for this to actually happen, it needs to stay above 132.40, which is this level right here. It needs to stay above this level. If the British pound falls below this level, it's going back down into the same type of crappy range where, you know, it's there's a new look. We'll look at 131.53 on the lower end again, and then 132.02. However the levels will play out, the volatility levels will play out. But the most important point is that it stays above this 132.40 level right now. All right, it may change, and if it does change, you know, I'll give you guys an update. All right, so let's move on to the star of the show: British pound, Japanese yen, sterling, bloody yen. All right, so let me get my numbers in order so I don't ramble on for no reason. Hang on. All right, and good old sterling yen. What we got going on here is that we should have support at 191.30. Now, if it breaks, this is the critical price today, or right now, for a downside turn, is 191.12. So if it turns around from 191.12, it breaks 191.12, you could expect to see trading back down to like 190.70 level. Then it should find support to basically start tracking around here. Now, the main resistance for today right now, we're trading at 191.82. Right now, the first line of defense is 192.27. If it holds that, you know, you could expect it coming back down to like the 191.70 levels again, you know, like that, 70. Yeah, like that, 191.70, 191.60. But the main like support for the day right now is 191, say 30. If it can get through 192.27, you're looking at an upper level of 193. And now, in order really for like medium term for sterling yen to shake off all this weakness that had that downward, that, you know, this bullish movement in that main downward leg from the 208.10 level to the 180 level, it needs to get above like 193.50. Then it's you know, then a lot of stuff's going to be happening. The market's been going to be kicking like a mule with its balls duct taped. It's going to be wild. So that's what we're looking at in sterling yen right now. Let's move on over to good old euro yen. Wow, what a spike we had in good old euro yen last night. All right, so here are key levels. Key level of support for euro yen right now is 160.67. We have resistance at 161.25 right now. If it breaks through resistance at 161.25, we're going to 161.88. After that, we're looking at okay, in euro yen, we got resistance, like I said, I believe I said 161.25, which is very, very close to here. Now, if we can get above 161.25, the next levels up are 161.88, 162.39. Now, the critical price in euro yen right now is 160.25. It needs to hold above 160.25 in order for it to continue to keep attacking these upper levels. If it breaks down below 160.25 today, we're looking at 159 like 47, and you can write that down so you don't have to listen to my nonsense. 159.46, that's fine. And Then we got 159 the figure. So that's how the market's shaping up today. Remember, if you like what you see, please smash the like button, ring the bell so you get all my alerts. Also subscribe. Head on over to Park Avenue Trading. Get yourself a free ebook. And also, remember to share the channel far and wide. We want to build a big trading community. And remember, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.